Yamaha EF2000iS gas-powered portable inverter generator. Four-stroke 2000 watt 79cc OHV CARB compliant. Powerful, portable, and efficient, the Yamaha EF2000iS gas-powered portable inverter delivers maximum electrical output without sacrificing portability. This TTS demo is for testing and evaluation purposes only. Any unauthorized commercial use is prohibited. Thanks to its innovative inverter system, the generator is able to generate up to 2000 watts of clean AC power. This is a demo of VoiceText TTS. It can run up to 10.5 hours continuously without refueling and uses premium technologies to maximize fuel efficiency. Powerful inverter system delivers cleaner electricity. This is built around an innovative inverter system, which is able to deliver higher quality, cleaner electricity than competing generators. It produces energy in the form of pure sine waves, which are cleaner and more reliable than most commercial power sources. This means that you'll be able to confidently power delicate machinery without having to worry about the damage caused by unrefined energy. An electrical overload breaker is also included, to prevent generator damage in case of an unexpected overload. It comes with smart technologies for optimal fuel efficiency. The EF2000iS is exceptionally fuel efficient, able to run for up to 10.5 hours without refueling when in economy mode. Its OHV engine runs reliably and dissipates heat efficiently. With Smart Throttle Load feature, the generator is able to dynamically adjust engine speed. This TTS demo is for testing and evaluation purposes only. Any unauthorized commercial use is prohibited. Depending on output, resulting in greater overall fuel efficiency. It features an exclusive dual-coil alternator stator, which lowers engine speed and reduces fuel consumption. Your license has expired, or you do not have a valid license verification file. Please contact our sales support team for more information. Ergonomic, user-friendly design. Weighing 44 pounds, the generator is ultra-portable and features an easy-to-carry design. It has a convenient, centralized control panel. Which allows you to easily access all of the generator's features at the push of a button. For added convenience, the EF2000iS is able to recharge batteries with its 8A12V DC output, making it ideal for RV, auto, and boat owners. You can even hook up two EF2000iS units for added output, thanks to Twin-Tech technology. And you won't have to worry about engine damage due to low oil levels. An oil watch warning system constantly monitors oil levels and lets you know when an oil change is needed. The EF2000iS uses noise reduction technologies to ensure the quietest operation possible. Featuring a special sound blocking design, the generator has noise-absorbing glass wool construction, which helps dampen noise even during heavy operation. Awesome quiet little inverter generator. It works very well. To purchase Yamaha EF2000iS portable inverter generator, please visit the link in the description. For more video uploads, please subscribe to this channel. And don't forget to support this video by giving your like for this video. Please click like button below. Thanks for watching the video. See you next time.